Welcome all. In this video, we will discuss about Musharaka. Musharaka is one of the various types of financial instruments in Islamic finance. Musharaka is an Islamic mode of financing in the form of partnership between two parties, whereby each party funds to the capital of the project in equal or variable amounts. It may be either to start a new project or to share in an existing project. So in the mode of Musharaka, both parties will invest and both parties will manage. The profit will be distributed between the partners based on pre-agreed ratio, while losses are shared based on percentage of equity contribution. So here in Musharaka, the profit would be distributed between the partners according to the pre-agreed ratio. So maybe their investment 50-50% or 40-60%, but the profit distribution may be different. It is decided according to the pre-agreed ratio between the partners. But the loss is shared and distributed according to the percentage of equity contribution. It is one of the best mode of Islamic finance because it encourages the parties to put their best efforts to earn profits, and this mode of finance expects the managerial skills of all partners to be contributed towards the project. So here, both parties will invest in the project. Both parties will participate in the managerial activities also. So Musharaka is different from Muzaraba. It is another mode of another financial instrument in Islamic finance. The difference is that in Muzaraba, only one party invests and another party manage the business. But in Musharaka, both parties will invest and both parties will participate in the managerial activities. This is the form of Musharaka. Here you can see the mechanism of Musharaka. One is Islamic bank and another one is the client. Both parties will contribute into the business venture in the form of capital and management. And in the business venture, whatever the profits are coming, it would be distributed according to the pre-agreed ratio between the Islamic bank and the client, and the loss would be distributed as per the ratio of the investment. Now let us discuss the types of Musharaka. First one is constant Musharaka. In the constant Musharaka agreement, the capital contributed by each party will remain constant throughout the period of contract. So in the constant Musharaka, the percentage of the ownership of each parties will remain constant. It will not be shifted to another party throughout the entire period of the project. Second one is diminishing Musharaka. In the diminishing Musharaka agreement, one party will gradually transfer its share in the Musharaka to the another party so as to decrease its share in order to transfer the ownership of the venture to other party within a specific duration. So in the diminishing Musharaka, gradually the ownership of one party will be transferred to the another party within a specific duration. Whereas you can see how Islamic banks apply diminishing Musharaka. Islamic banks will participate with another party in a diminishing Musharaka, whereby the condition is that within 10 years, the ownership of the Islamic bank will be transferred to the another party, with the condition that the other party should pay the capital plus the profit to the bank within this specific duration. That is the functioning of diminishing Musharaka. Thank you for watching.